Log base 2 of x is equal to -5. We have to find a value of x. I have to convert the logarithmic form to the exponential and simply write 2 to power -5 is equal x. I can rewrite this as x equals 1 over 2 to the 5th. And I have x equals 1 over 32. My answer is positive. The domain of the logarithm must be positive. That's why this is the correct answer to my problem. Next example. I have to find a value of x. This time the base is x, right? And domain in itself contains also x. I have to convert the logarithmic form to the exponential first. I have x to the first is equal 3x minus 1. You can rewrite this as x equals 3x minus 1. Next, I suppose to combine the like terms. I'm going to move this x to the right side. Why? Because 3 is positive and is greater than 1x. And -1 I'm going to move to the left side. So I'm going to have 1 equals 3x minus x, which is equal 1 equals 2x. In order to find value of x, I have to divide both sides equation by 2. So x is equal 1/2. The base of the logarithm must be positive and different than 1. So my x is positive and is different than 1. So the base is okay. Let's check with the domain. 3 times 1/2 gives me 1 and 1/2. 1 and 1/2 minus 1 gives me 1/2. So my domain is positive after these calculations. So this is the correct answer to my problem.